What is the name of the highest civilian award in India? Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan. Answer is Bharat Ratna. Which Indian state is known as the land of rising sun? Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur. Answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Which Indian city is known as Pink City? Agra, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Jaipur. The answer is Jaipur. Who wrote the Indian national anthem Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore, Mahatma Gandhi, Sarojini Naidu, Bankim Chand Chatterjee. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Which state is known as the Spice Garden of India? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu. Answer is Kerala. What is the name of the largest Indian state by area? Options Uttar Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh. The answer is Rajasthan. What is the name of the largest Indian state by population? Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Bihar. The answer is Uttar Pradesh. Who is known as the Nightingale of India? M.S. Subbulakshmi, Asha Bhosle, Sarojini Naidu, Shreya Ghoshal. The answer is Sarojini Naidu. What is the name of the Indian Space Agency? NASA, ESA, ISRO or JAXA? The answer is ISRO. Who was the first Indian woman to climb Mount Everest? Santosh Yadav, Bachendri Paul, Premlata Agarwal, Arunima Sinha. The answer is Bachendri Paul. What is the name of the largest Indian state in terms of area in the northeast region? The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who is the first Indian woman to win an Olympic medal? PV Sindhu, Karnam Malleshwari, Sania Mirza, Saina Nehwal. The answer is Karnam Malleshwari. What is the name of the highest mountain peak in India? Annapurna, Nanda Devi, Kanchenjunga, Mount Everest. The answer is Kanchenjunga. Who is known as the Iron Lady of India? Sonia Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, Pratibha Patil, Sushma Swaraj. The answer is Indira Gandhi. Who is known as the father of nation in India? B.R. Ambedkar, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru. The answer is Mahatma Gandhi. Which Indian state is known as the God's own country? Andhra Pradesh, Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Kerala. The answer is Kerala. Who is the first woman Prime Minister of India? Pratibha Patil, Draupadi Murmu, Indira Gandhi, Sonia Gandhi. The answer is Indira Gandhi. Who composed the Indian national song Vande Mataram? Sarojini Naidu, Mexico City, Subramania Bharati, Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. The answer is Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. What is the name of the Indian festival of lights? Diwali, Dashera, Navratri, Holi. The answer is Diwali. Who is known as the father of Indian Constitution? Mahatma Gandhi, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The answer is B.R. Ambedkar. Who was the first Indian to win a Nobel Prize? C.V. Raman, Rabindranath Tagore, Amartya Sen, Mother Teresa. The answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Who was the first Indian woman to win a Grand Slam title in tennis? Mahesh Bhupati, Sania Nehwal, Leander Paes, Sania Mirza. The answer is Sania Mirza. Who is known as the Grand Old Man of India? Dadabhai Naoroji, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Mahatma Gandhi. The answer is Dadabhai Naoroji. Name of the Indian classical dance form that originated in Kerala: Kathakali, Kuchipudi, Bharatnatyam or Odissi. The answer is Kathakali. Which Indian city is known as the City of Pearls? Jaipur, Lucknow, Hyderabad, Agra. The answer is Hyderabad. Which Indian state shares its borders with Myanmar, China and Bhutan? Manipur, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. The answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Who is known as the milkman of India? Verghese Kurian, Ratan Tata, Mukesh Ambani, Azim Premji. The answer is Verghese Kurian. Which Indian city is known as the City of Lakes? Jaipur, Udaipur, Jodhpur, Bhopal. The answer is Udaipur. What is the name of the Indian state that is home to Sundarbans? Odisha, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar. The answer is West Bengal. Which state is home to the Great Indian Desert? Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, Rajasthan. The answer is Rajasthan.